This is Fun with Electronics Project 6, Part 1, where we test Circuit 1, the AC power detector circuit. So the circuit wasn't working just how it is with just the single transistor. So I had to add more transistors to it, creating a three-stage Darlington circuit. And for the coil, I shaped it into this square spiral shape. And for the current limiting resistor, I'm using 330 ohms. The power supply, 9 volts. And for the buzzer, for a visual detection, for like both visual and hearing detection, I applied both the LED and the buzzer. The buzzer is placed from the emitter to ground because connecting it from the collector to ground automatically turns it on. So yeah, so basically under such a low current from the base from the first transistor creates the necessary current here at the third transistor, turning the LED and the buzzer on when it detects the AC signal. Yep, so basically this is my final version of the circuit, from this to this, basically. Alright, so here we have the hardware circuit. As you can see, there's the coil, the 3 transistors, the buzzer, and here we have the LED, the current limiting resistor, 330 ohms. And yeah, here we have the power supply at 9 volts. It's on, the circuit is on. So if I place the power cord close to the coil, as you can see, the circuit detects the AC signal, turning the LED on, turning the buzzer on, creating this clicking noise. As you may hear, the clicking noise is very weak because the circuit isn't super stable. Okay. And just to show that the buzzer and the LED is working, if I tap my finger on the coil, it turns them on. So yeah, nice.